everyone, this is Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher coming back at you. Tonight I have a $25 session. I have $10 cash explosion, 200 million cash explosion, and I have 30x multiplayer, player, and break the bank. This is a new one. So we're gonna start with that. Alright, let's see. I don't even know. Oh, well. You know, our lucky number match our number. Their lucky number match our number. Something like that. 12, 1, and 9. Let's see what we got. 4, 2, 8, 6, 15. Oh yeah, I want to show that too. 7 and 13. Of course, my stinker will be on there. Nothing on that. But let me show y'all something real quick. What my daughter-in-law did for me. Okay, that's kind of big there. We need to make it small. Okay, it's a cup. That's what it is. You can tell it's a cup. She got it made for me. One of her friends made it, and it's Blue Texas Tornado Scratcher. But I thought it was pretty cool of her. Which it is. It's pretty cool. Hey, if y'all want to buy one, we'll sell you one. Alright, let's do this. This is the second chance win, too. Let's see what we got here, guys. 15 chances to win. Top prize $75,000. All I need is 6. I need $6,000. $31, $19, $35, $29, $32. Let's see what we got. There's my stinker. I don't need my stinker. I'm getting everything but what I need. No one. Oh, I forgot to give you the card number. 43. What was that one? Break bank was 51. Both of them was no winner. Let's try 24. Oh, this is the last one. Okay. Let's see. Match your number with the winning number. You win that prize. You get a money bag symbol. You win instant. And if you get 20, you win 20 times. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We got a 40 there. 29, 14, 19, 17, 20. Okay, you want to stop on me now? What the hell? Okay, what's the deal? That does not want to scratch. But I think it's a 24 and a 1. I don't know why I don't want to scratch. You want to try it?
Yeah, I don't want to.
Okay, son, where are you? We're assuming it's 24 because that's 29. You know what they say about assume, I'm just saying. Come on, money bag. Or 20x, that'd be nice. Okay, you see it? Yeah. Get right there. Let me see. Well, I hope everybody has a good weekend. It's Friday, guys. What y'all gonna do? I'm gonna take my husband, get his hair cut. He has to get ready for school. He's got one more week off and then he's gotta go back. He's a crossing guard. He's gotta cross all them bad children. Okay. I did not get nothing on none of these tickets tonight. But it's okay. Y'all hit, whoa! Y'all hit like and subscribe. And y'all remember we're doing our giveaway. When I hit 500 subscribers, remember hit comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't. And write blue on there. And we will have a drawing on it. But y'all guys have a good night. Peace out.